In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to customize a HubSpot theme header. Let's get started by first logging into your HubSpot account. If you're not familiar with HubSpot, it's a platform that lets you manage your marketing, sales, and customer service efforts all in one place. Logging in is as simple as entering your credentials and hitting the Sign In button. Once you're in, you'll want to navigate over to the Content section. Specifically, look for Website Pages. This area is essentially the hub for all your website content in HubSpot. It's where you can manage and edit the different pages on your site. Now that you're in the Website Pages section, you'll need to select the site you wish to customize. This is an important step if you're managing multiple sites, as you'll want to ensure you're editing the correct one. With your site selected, let's move over to the header customization process. Hover your mouse over the top part of the page. You'll notice it becomes highlighted, indicating that it's selectable. Click on the highlighted area. A small menu should appear. From here, choose Open in Global Content Editor. This option specifically allows you to make changes to the header and other global sections that apply across multiple pages of your site, ensuring consistency in your site's appearance. Now that you have your global content editor open, it's time to get creative. You have the liberty to customize various elements of your header. First, consider updating your logo. A logo is a critical branding tool, so ensuring it's up-to-date and appropriate is crucial. Next, look at the navigation bar. You may want to rearrange, add, or remove items to better guide your visitors to the most important sections of your site. The search bar and social media icons are also elements that can be tailored to better fit your site's needs. Perhaps you'd like to highlight certain social media platforms or provide a more streamlined navigation experience for your users. With these elements in place, let's focus on the styling aspect to make your header truly stand out. This includes setting the background color, which should complement your site's overall color scheme. Pay attention to text color as well, ensuring that it's readable against your chosen background. Similarly, you can choose fonts that reflect your brand's personality and give a professional touch to your header. Lastly, don't forget to adjust spacing. Effective use of spacing can make your header look balanced and improve overall readability and aesthetics. And that's it. You've successfully customized your HubSpot theme header. Remember, these changes can significantly impact your site's look and feel, so take your time to experiment and find the ideal configuration for your brand. Thank you for joining me today, and I hope you now feel more confident in customizing your Hub's header. Stay tuned for more tips and guides.